I see someone. Okay, someone is helping me collect those custards. I've been to the cave. Here's our sea. What is up, my YouTubers? Blue Wolf Claws here, and today I'm gonna be playing the Slendytubbies world. But tonight, that is tonight's gameplay. So if you do like and subscribe for more videos. So let's get this started. And we gonna create so here we go. Alright, so you can have whatever it takes. Okay. So we're getting those custards. Wait, flashlight. We'll do way better than that. Okay. Oh, blowed. Wow, he's a big ticky tank. Turn him off. Oh, blowed. I think the best thing to do is turn them off. Let's go back to the path. Oh, come on. There we go. Ah, blowed. That's kind of weird because that's a sound for the PC. I didn't do nothing. Okay. Okay. See. Here's the custard flashlight. I don't know why. The monster's gotta be so fast. What is that? Oh. Thank God for that. He's gonna see me with a flashlight. That's what he's trying to do. Oh. Oh boy. You better not walk. Okay. Okay. It's a custard. I see him. I see him. There are no sounds. I can't believe it. I can't hear a thing. They used to be inside the house there. Okay. Let's see, go through. Yeah, you can. Oh! He can. He is in the house. Oh, blood. I see someone. Okay, someone is helping me collect those custards. Abandoned the cave. Here's our sea. I got the custard before I did. Okay, someone's gonna... There's 2 more left, I see it. I'll go and touch it. He better not be around again, I swear. Alright, 1 more. We collect all the custards. Very cool. That is very cool. Okay. So... the volume. Okay. So, whatever. Alright. We are going to secret layer next. Okay, so we're just gonna do 2 of them. This is the last one. Alright, we can turn our flashlight off. Do you see how it's dark? Oh boy, I wish there's a sound. Oh, blood. I see one over there. Okay. I can jump. There we go. Tried to fall already. Okay, come on, you.
Aw, you're so cute. I want to take you home.
I thought I could punch those monsters with my... Oh, my blue. I want to punch him so bad. Flashlight on. What the? How did this happen? That's not fair. Hold up. That ain't fair. What's the thing? There's one. Got you. Already players joining me? Oh, I see you. Come on. Okay. They are such good players. thank you to Zero Books. So I just say as a thank you. Come on. Nope. Nope. Oh boy, this is bad luck. Where you at? I think I lost him. Oh, I could just gonna walk. Okay. I'm going up. All the way to the tunnel. Okay. That is so nice. I hope not. It's Custaway Hill. Oh, great. What the blue are you doing? He's got nothing but one on blade? Son. Oh boy, where does he go? I gotta jump. Jump! Okay. I keep running into the wall I did. Oh, get out of there. Sorry. Alright. Alright. Any custard, just look around. We'll keep going this way. I swear, someone away on my sofa. Okay. Let's see. Did someone get the custard? No. Now why is happening? Oh, blood. What's happening to my soul, son? Okay. Okay. Alright, guys. I think that it's it for tonight's gameplay. Let's see. I play it on my tablet. It does have noise. But I did play my computer before, and it got noise way better than my tablet. So this is I played the Slendytubbies world, and it's doing this say collect the server over again, and I don't really have that much good internet because I am out of the country, son, and I got farming animals is more, so anyway, so we gonna see. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and it's supposed to have sounds, but while they call it, but what happened? It's no sound. Oh, it's gonna do the same thing again. Okay, when I see you guys in the next video. Blue Wolf Claw is out, and God bless you all.